guys, welcome back to my channel. DEVINCI here. Let's start off by saying, new intro. Are we digging the vibes or what? I decided it was time to kind of step my YouTube game up. The next video you guys might see from me more than likely will be another misguided. I got some more misguided Sean John stuff. I know, crazy, but it's so cute. After that no, I don't have corona, but after that I'm gonna do my filming setup because I literally just ordered some more lights, and yeah, I just decided that I was gonna share with you guys. Hair is a whole vibe right now. Let's just get right into today's vibe. It's my 3-minute makeup routine. I've already washed my face. I used the Fenty Skin, and to be honest, quick little update, it's cool. Some people have been saying that they hated it, and I mean, I wouldn't go out of my way to repurchase this, but I do like the toning water and I do like the SPF. So what I start off by doing is putting some of her fat water on my face, and you guys are gonna see, you might not see, but I like how it just instantly hydrates my skin. But yeah, I put the fat water on my skin and then I go in with her SPF. Literally, y'all, this is what I've been doing. Toner, SPF, bring it down the neck. Once we rub that all the way in, skin technically is done, right? With the brow product that I've been using the Winkie Luxe Unibrow. So to be honest, okay, I got this in the FabFitFun box. The only negative side of this is once this head gets dull, there's like no way of resharpening it, but I still been using it and I still have been loving it. Literally brush my brows up. So after I brush the brows up, I literally draw a line. Boom. Line at the bottom. Do y'all see we got lines at the bottom, and then I go in and I line the top. And messy is okay because I'm gonna show you how we fix the messiness, but we literally just fill in the brow, and now I just fill it in with the same stuff too. So I feel like the brows take kind of the most time. Brows are on. Now we're going to just brush them so they're in place and they're not going anywhere. This is the part that's going to be crucial to the step. I've been using the Fenty Bamboo. Mind y'all, this is something that I would have never used. Cause you know, like when you first get your eyebrows done and you have like that super light highlight going on over your eyebrows, I feel like this kind of gives me that. So I'm just going in with a BH Cosmetics brush. BH Cosmetics has great brushes and they're damn cheap. I can't talk and do this, so just watch. So like I said, my brows take the longest, but if I wasn't filming, I wouldn't be trying to get them perfect. But now what I do, I go back in with the concealer, make sure my brush is, you know, fairly flat. And then this is, I feel like this part is key. I literally, can you see? Lightly just draw like flicks down. Did you see the difference that it made? Like it kind of just made my eyebrows look a little bit more feathered and or natural. I personally think. And then we're gonna do this side. I did this once and I've never gone back. And you literally just do it to the front half of your brow. And at the top, I just kind of get as close as I can without messing it up. Brows are on. They look fairly natural to me. That's been my updated eyebrow routine that I've been doing. Next for the freckles. And I think this is what y'all have been loving. Right. Freckles are about to happen. I don't go in with any foundation or concealer under my eyes. I use my Lorac Take a Brow in the shade Brunette. I have tons of these sitting around my house because this literally is my favorite eyebrow kit of all times, but I just have been using this because it's just easy, you know, to use, but love this. And then I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow brush. If you can see, don't look at that, I have a few beauty marks. I have a bit of dots and or freckles, just a little tiny on my face already. And as you guys can see, I have dots over here, dots on my nose, a few. So what we're gonna do is go in and enhance that. We're going with the lighter shade, and then we're gonna go in with the darker shade. So we're gonna go with the lighter shade, the tip of my brush, There's a billion ways to do freckles, but this has been what I've been doing, and I've been loving it. So I just take it. And these are, you already see I had a bit of freckles there already. And I literally, there is no method to my madness. Literally just let the hand go. So right now we're in the light freckle. The more random, the more natural. So it's like, don't just be, you know, focused. Just go, and wherever that hand takes you, let it lead. We're going to add some to where I already have dots. Add some over here. Maybe dot one there, dot one there. Dot a few here. Light layer looks real cute. You can really stop there at the light layer. I go in with the dark layer too. So just to kind of further enhance, because like with freckles, if you ever know somebody with freckles in real life, they're like a variety of different shades, sizes, you know? And for you girls out there who naturally have freckles like this all over your face, jelly. So that's more than enough freckles. As you guys can see, I feel like they look really nice, really natural, very soft in real life. You can go in and slap your face if you're feeling self-conscious about them, but I love them. What I like to take next, I will get my lashes together, and I've been recently liking to use the Duo lash glue. Lashes really make a difference. Yeah, I love lashes. I'm about to start a lash line. Support your girl. They're gonna be fairly affordable. Lily lashes are $30. My lashes are not gonna be that much, and they're gonna be so bomb. Lashes just really set off a look. Next, what I do, I go in with some gloss. I'm using the E.L.F gloss in Bubbles. I literally like how this keeps my lips nice and, you know, hydrated. That's literally the final look of my everyday makeup, my everyday go-to makeup. Literally, that's all I do. I don't put on any highlight. Fat water serum kind of makes my skin look nice and hydrated and healthy. SPF really helps as well. So I don't go on with any foundation, any concealer. This is what I've been doing. This has been my go-to everyday makeup. It's helped me actually keep myself looking together, because I feel like with quarantine, I've been trying, you know, like I've been trying to find a routine that works for me, and this helps me look my best every single day. Well, at least filming wise, because I don't feel like getting up, putting a full face of makeup on, feeling all hot and bothered all day with it. And this is just so lightweight, stays on my face all day, and it just makes me look so cute. So yeah, I decided to give you guys this 3-minute, it took longer than 3 minutes of course because I'm over here talking, but my 3-minute everyday makeup routine that I've been doing and I've been loving. Let me know if you're gonna try it. Tag me on Instagram at @JDevinci if you do, so I can repost you on my story and I can see how cute you look. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV, I'ma have them on the run like J and Beyonce.